Hello, please you see this video until end. Lettuce, often known as the foundation of salads, possesses an array of unusual properties that contribute to a healthy body. This leafy green is not only low in calories but also packs a nocturnal punch, making it an ideal choice for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Lettuce is also rich in healthy fiber, which play a vital role in managing a healthy body. Fiber aids the digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and help control blood sugar levels, including lettuce is your meals can contribute to a well-balanced fiber intake. And another unequal property of lettuce is its impressive vitamin and mineral profile. It is a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and potassium. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, and cardiovascular health. The high fiber content in lettuce, combined with its low calorie density, can make you feel fuller for longer. Easing in weight management. Incorporating lettuce into your meals can help control appetite and prevent overeating. Thank you very much.